What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome here to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars. We're just going to be covering I suppose the big news that Stradman did say he was buying another car, and lo and behold he has bought another car, a V12 supercar, which we'll jump into in 2 seconds. If you're new to the channel, guys, thanks very much for clicking on the video and taking a minute or two out of your day to check us out. I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the automotive world of YouTube, of some of your biggest car YouTubers, and just in this video I'm just covering Stradman, but a longer, bigger video will be out tomorrow, so do check out my other videos on the channel. If you like this kind of stuff, guys, smash the subscribe button. All my new subscribers, honestly, thanks very much for smashing the subscribe button already and commenting. Comment below, guys. I love chatting to you guys about what's going on in the supercar community. Follow me on Instagram and stuff like that. And I have some big plans for this, big plans for this channel. I do have some big plans. There's no supercars where I live, so I am going to try and get some vlogs in where I am in Ireland here and there. I do obviously want to get a project car for the channel. That is in the works. Two of the main goals for this channel is obviously I want to get an Audi R8 to modify, and the second one would be, if this channel ever got big enough to do it, move to Las Vegas, make a talk show studio for invite car YouTubers in for a talk show, kind of like the Joe Rogan podcast talk show. So they're my two big goals. Hopefully you want to come along this journey with me and enjoy it, and we'll see where it goes. So on today's video, as I said, we're covering Stradman. I was quite surprised that he's dropped the bombshell that he's bought another V12 Lamborghini Aventador. But this is a roadster, and this one, I can't remember the exact name of it, but it's a white satin, white pearl roadster. It's beautiful looking. I really like this spec. I actually didn't even know, I'd never seen this spec before. Black wheels, white pearl, you know, with the red stripe going through it. But the big news is that this is going to be a project car for him. Yeah, it's amazing. So just here's a quick clip for you guys, him asking you to guess the car when he starts it up.
This is a cold strap on a stock exhaust on the new supercar. It's a very distinct note. I'm sure you guys are going to recognize it.
There you go, guys. What do you think? I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. Are you glad he got another V12? And do you think he should have got something different? Are you glad? What do you think of his plans that he has for it? I mean, look, he said he saw a Liberty Wide Arch Aventador 6 years ago, and he's always wanted one and wanted to do it. Liberty Walk have come out with a kit. They're only making around 50 of them, and he wants to do it. He wants to make a roadster, wide arch, Liberty kitted, slammed Aventador. Look, guys, it's his money, it's his car. If it's something you've always wanted to do, why not go for it? I just think he's bloody bonkers spending $60,000 on a carbon fibre wide arch kit, but I suppose it's Liberty Walk. You're getting every bit of it. It's full replacement parts, so you just unscrew your arches off and put on the ones, so there's no cutting or nothing like that. You get the wing, you basically get everything in the kit. It's carbon fibre. It's going to look absolutely awesome when it's finished. I cannot wait for him to get this build done. It's exactly something I would do. I love show cars, I love wide arch kits. It'll just, and I don't know if he's going to twin turbo this or if he's going to twin turbo his coupe. I'm not too sure. He did let slip that he wants to twin turbo one of the Aventadors as well. I'm presuming it might be this one. But I mean, look, guys, if you have the money and you can do it, why not? And it's entertainment for us at the end of the day. And I think this is going to be up there with one of my favourite builds that Stradman has done, so I cannot wait. I just want to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below as well, because it's just interesting to see what you think, because for me, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it, and what way it turns out, and just the build process as well. So that is today's video, guys. As I said, it was just a quick one. Check out my other videos. Please do give it a like, comment below, and even better, subscribe. As I said, that's it for today. We'll have another video out tomorrow. So stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.